scores of villagers in Tudumbiri in Igabi local government area of Kaduna State were killed after a bomb was allegedly dropped by a military jet during a Maulud celebration at about 9 p.m. Kaduna State government says the Nigerian army has claimed responsibility for dropping the bomb on Tudumbiri Igabi local government area of the state, which left no fewer than 30 villagers dead on Sunday. Earlier, the Nigerian Air Force denied responsibility for the attack. A statement by the Director of Public Relations and Information, Nigerian Air Force, Commodore Edward Gapquet, said NAF has not carried out any operation in Kaduna in the last 24 hours. However, the overseeing Commissioner of Internal Security and Home Affairs, Samuel Arunwa, said the General Officer commanding 1 Division Nigerian Army and Force Commander Operation Major General Vu Okoro admitted that the Nigerian Army was on a routine mission against terrorists when the incident happened.
Briefings on Sunday night attack, which left several citizens dead and others injured at Tudumbiri in Igabi local government area of Kaduna State. In the meeting, which was presided by Her Excellency, the Deputy Governor, Dr. Hadiza Sabwa Balarabe, which had in attendance heads of security agencies, religious and traditional leaders.
The government of Kaduna State, specifically the Deputy Governor of Kaduna State, this morning to come and have a brief on really what happened some hours ago. That was yesterday. We learned that there was bad incidents happened in the Regasa village.
Emphasis on Tudumbiri, which is in Ifira village. Yesterday, they had a very nasty incidents whereby a lot of people were affected when there is a bomb in the area.